Hey everyone, my name's Catherine Rule. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some more baby onesies. I'm going to be doing some different patterns. I did a baby onesie video before with different patterns, so these are new patterns. I will link that video for you in the description and I'll put a card in so you can check it out if you want to see some more patterns for baby onesies. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more dyeing tutorials. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here we are. We have this baby onesie all tied up. It's going to be a chevron pattern, and I'm also going to do this one, which is the nail burrito fold. I have a video for how to do this fold on a upcycled dress, and I will put the link down below so you can check that out if you want to see that. And then I have the stitch shibori piece here. This is a baby onesie, and just like this one, I did another video on this one for a scarf. So I will link that for you in case you want to see the folding for this one. But I'm going to dip these all together in my vat because I like to have a few things in a vat because it's a lot of work to put a vat together, and it's the dye is expensive, so I like to make sure that I am getting the most out of my vats. So I'm gonna go take these out and dip them now. All right, so now it's time to dip these baby onesies in the vat. I've already mixed up my vat, and I'm going to give it an extra stir. All right, so I'm gonna get these bubbles off. Okay, so I got most of the bubbles off, which is good, and I'm gonna start with the nail burrito. And I'm just gonna dip it quickly. Squeeze it. So you can see there's still parts that have not even gotten touched by the dye. This is a light blue onesie, so I'm excited to see how it looks. Okay, so there's still quite a lot of blue or dry spots in there, which is ideal. As you can see, it was a pretty quick dip. I don't want it to be too saturated. If you want, you can dip a little bit more on just the edges, because that's going to give you that sort of stripe look. So I'm going to do that. Gonna squeeze it out and set it aside. So next I'm going to do my chevron piece here, and I'm going to do this one really quickly so that I'm going to just kind of it's hard to see inside there. Okay, squeezing it out. Okay, I see some resist, so that's good. Leave that there. Okay, so now this one is the stitched one. This one's going to be a little more tricky. I want to make sure it doesn't get totally oversaturated, so I'm just going to dip it really quickly. And I'm going to just push these bubbles to the side, take a few of them out. The more you dip, the more agitated the dye gets, so you've got to kind of take the bubbles off again. Okay, and I'm going to flash dip it really fast. Okay, so Jersey kind of absorbs things fast. Let's see. Ah, that's a gorgeous dip. All right, I'm gonna just let it sit. I'm not going to dip it again or squeeze it. You can see how there's quite a lot of, you can see the white still, so that is ideal. And I'm going to just literally let it rest. All right, so these onesies have been sitting overnight and they've dried out a little bit, and it's time to take them apart. So I'm very excited to see how they turned out. Okay, wow, that one turned out very nice. Now I'm going to open up the tongue depressor one. Oh, this one turned out very subtle, but you can still see the chevrons. I think it will lighten once I wash it too. So I'm really curious to see how this one washes. There's the back. So the green is going to turn totally blue. It's just been, hasn't hit the oxygen yet. So we'll oxidize. Whoops. Let's put this. All right, so now it's time to do the stitched one. This one got tied very tight. This one is spectacular. Ooh. Okay. I love how this got such a nice resist in there. I'm gonna let these continue to dry, which will not take very long now that they're all spread out. And then I'm going to wash them. See, this green is starting to turn more blue with the oxygen. Very nice. So here they are after they've been washed and dried, and you can see how they look after the excess indigo is washed out. I think they turned out really cute and they're going to make great gifts, so I'm excited to ship them off. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more dyeing videos in the future. See you guys next time.